The factories of the future are becoming silent. No voices, no brakes, and no human errors. Just the cold, relentless hum of silicon and steel. We are witnessing the birth of a new era, where the muscle of the global economy is no longer human. Elon Musk's Tesla Optimus is no longer just a prototype. It is a soldier in a multi-trillion-dollar war, a war for the global workforce. But Tesla isn't racing alone. Giants like Boston Dynamics and startups like Figure 8